It's extra large, 100%. Today is one of the happiest days of my life, as you know, as a leader in extra large. We are here at the Nigerian Doctors Forum in collaboration with the Federal Ministry of Health, Lagos Ministry of Health, Nigerian Diaspora Commission, and we at Extra Large are proudly partnering with them for the international medical intervention. And guess what? This my wonderful farmer here, Farmer Catherine,
yes.
Farmer Catherine of Extra Large, just qualified for a procedure for uterine fibroids. And the good news for me is that, you know, this is falling in within our Extra Large Wellness Revolution, where we are talking about total wellness for our people, starting with the women. 53 days of massive attack on people's health positively. And you just qualified.
Yes.
She's coming for the procedure tomorrow. We have 8 of them like that. And that procedure is worth between 8 to 10 million naira.
Wow.
But madam, you're not paying 10 kobo. How do you feel?
Overwhelmed with joy. I can't express the gratitude.
Oh my God.
Just
so this
cannot.
It's going to
be
end.
over.
Finally.
How
long have you been suffering from this?
Over 5 years.
Oh,
over 5 years.
I can imagine. I've been
5
there.
years.
So I know what
over
it
5
feels
years.
like.
So, and the pain, the trauma, you know, day in, day out. And
people are calling you Iyabeji when you are not Iyabeji.
Oh, it's
back pain, everything.
Lower abdominal pain,
blood flow and all that.
Sometimes you can't even go. I'm so happy. I'm eternally grateful to Extra Large.
To God. And so this intervention is going to be it's just a minimal invasion. You know, they don't have to cut the women open to perform the surgery. They just inject them, you know, through their veins and pass that medication there, and it goes there. It stops the blood flow that allows the tumor to grow. That's actually it's a new medical technology. It's a breakthrough in the medical field, and we thank God that you are one of the beneficiaries today. Oh my God! Oh my God! So by the time I see you next, you will be slaying like me, like this. Hey, thank God for that. Thank you.
Super happy.
Yes.
Grateful.
Yes.
God bless Extra Large.
Yes, thank you. Amen.
We'll continue to grow higher, bigger, greater, more exploits, more interventions, global recognition, bigger than you can ever imagine.
Special shout out also to Dr. Erin Osho of the Lagos State Ministry of Health. Special thank you also to Dr. Akombi, the president of the Nigerian Doctors Forum South Africa. Thank you also to Honorable Abike Dabiri, the CEO of Nigerian Diaspora Commission. Thank you to our chairman, Dr. Sheyi Abimbola Davis, and thank you to everyone who is doing this and making sure that, you know, our women are liberated. If you have not joined the Extra Large Wellness Revolution, tell them what they're missing. It's just day 5 out of day.
You are missing a lot. You are missing a lot. You are missing a lot. Please join. There's so much to benefit,
tell
to
them
enjoy.
3 of the so much. Tell them that's 3 of the so much.
The medical intervention, for example, the wellness, the money to make, the resort center to just
food. Food for wellness. Yes.
It's you can't it's beyond what I can start mentioning. You know, so I've started enjoying it.
Even as a new member.
Yes, even as a new member. So I'm looking forward to so many other greater exploits in Extra Large.
Amen. See you slaying. See you slaying very soon by God's grace.
This is before. You are going to see me after.
After, by God's grace. Extra Large, 100%.